Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Beko dishwasher error code E01. Here you will see I am in the official website of Reddit, where the people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. So this is the problem. It firstly got an E01 error, which is an overflow error. So we drain water and reset flood switch. Now it is tripping at certain points on certain washes. It completes its 1 hour self-clean program, but after loading and start another wash is tripped. Unsure what to check next. I have removed panel and check hoses. All seem okay with no leaks. So, here in the down, people provide their opinion regarding this. This is that my FIL had a similar issue. Wait 5 days and let it completely dry and then try it again. Sometime it's there even a tiny bit of water residue. It will trip. So these are the people's opinion regarding this problem. This is the one solution you have. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.